The story of May. A kind-hearted girl named May lived in a small village. The village was surrounded by beautiful nature, and it was a place where you could enjoy the scenery of the 4 seasons. Cherry blossoms are in full bloom in spring, dazzling green trees envelop the village in summer, autumn leaves are colorful in autumn, and a quiet snowy landscape spreads out in winter. May liked to stop by her favorite places and enjoy the beauty of nature while walking along the village path every day. In particular, under a large old tree on the outskirts of the village was her favorite place. There, she spent her time quietly reading books and listening to the chirping of birds. One day, when May was reading a book under the tree, a small bird approached. The bird seemed to be complaining about something while jumping beside May. May smiled at the look and gently reached out her hand. Then, the bird stayed in her hand and seemed to sense her kindness. Since that day, Mai and Katori have become friends. Every day, May played with the birds under the tree and shared a quiet time. The people around them were also watching their friendship, and they were healed by the heartwarming scene. As time went by, May grew up and left the village. However, she cherished her memories with the little bird and promised to come back someday. On the day I left the village, the little bird saw off May with a bright voice. A few years later, when May returned to the village as promised, she was standing under the same old tree as that day. A little bird was waiting there, chirping cheerfully as if celebrating her return. May was able to spend a quiet time with the little bird again and enjoy the peaceful days of the village.